You have reached the Kilauea Daily Update message for Tuesday, April 24th, 2018, recorded by the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory at 9 a.m. Eruptions continue at Kilauea Volcano Summit and East Rift Zone. The summit lava lake overflowed the overlook crater rim yesterday morning and again earlier this morning as summit tilt meters recorded overall inflationary tilt. Cone continues the inflationary trend of the past several weeks, and the episode 61G lava flow is active above the poly. The flow does not pose a threat to nearby communities at this time. There is currently no active lava on the poly, the coastal plain, or entering the ocean. Maps, photos, webcam images, and detailed daily text updates are available on our website at hvo.wr.usgs.gov.